Imagine gliding down the highway in something that feels less like an RV and more like a private jet on wheels. Welcome back to NextGen Motorhomes, where we explore the future of luxury travel on the open road. If you love seeing what the next generation of motorhomes can really do, hit that subscribe button and join our community right now, because today we're stepping inside one of the most talked about luxury diesel pushers on the planet, the Entegra Coach Cornerstone 2026. Let's start right here, standing outside, because before you even step inside, the Cornerstone already makes a statement. This is the kind of motorhome that turns a fuel stop into a conversation and a campground into a showcase. The exterior has that clean, modern showroom look, with deep, high-gloss paint, sharp color separations, and a finish so reflective you can practically see the road behind you. The full-body paint feels less like RV graphics and more like something you'd expect on a high-end luxury coach conversion. The size alone commands respect. This is a tag-axle diesel pusher that stretches long and wide, sitting confidently on its chassis, with a stance that says stability, not bulk. The LED lighting signature up front adds a futuristic touch, especially at night. And the flush-mounted windows and integrated awnings keep everything looking sleek and intentional. This isn't flashy for the sake of attention. It's confident, refined, and unmistakably premium. The driver's seat in the Cornerstone feels like the captain's chair of a luxury touring coach. You're sitting high, with a commanding view of the road, and visibility is outstanding thanks to the expansive windshield and well-placed side windows. From this perspective, long highway stretches feel effortless. Your hands fall naturally to the steering wheel, and everything you need is right where you expect it to be. The controls are intuitive, solid, and designed for drivers who actually enjoy driving. Now shift perspectives for a moment, and imagine you're in the co-pilot seat. This is where you really notice how quiet and composed the ride feels. Conversations happen at normal volume, even at speed, and the road noise fades into the background. You can watch the landscape pass by like a moving painting, without feeling every bump or ripple in the pavement. It's not just transportation. It's an experience of calm, controlled power. And speaking of power, let's talk performance, because this is one of those wow moments. Underneath it all, the Entegra Coach Cornerstone 2026 rides on the Spartan K3 tag-axle chassis, paired with a Cummins X15 diesel engine pushing out up to 605 horsepower. That's serious muscle. This engine is matched to an Allison 4000 automatic transmission, which means smooth shifts, confident acceleration, and the ability to climb mountain grades without breaking a sweat. It's about how it feels on a real road trip. Merging onto the highway feels controlled and deliberate. Long uphill climbs don't feel stressful. Crosswinds are handled with confidence thanks to the chassis design and air suspension. You're not wrestling the coach, you're guiding it. And after hours behind the wheel, you step out feeling relaxed, not drained. That's a huge deal for anyone planning serious travel. Now let's step inside, because this is where the Cornerstone truly earns its reputation. The moment you enter, there's an immediate sense of space and craftsmanship. The materials feel substantial. The flooring, cabinetry, and finishes don't just look good. They feel like they're built to last for years of travel. The kitchen becomes the heart of your day. Counter space is generous, appliances are residential grade, and everything is laid out for real cooking, not just reheating leftovers. You can prepare a full meal while still being part of the conversation, whether you're parked by a lake or pulled into a luxury RV resort. It feels practical, but also indulgent, like cooking in a high-end condo that just happens to move. Because right next to that kitchen is the dining area, and this is where stories are shared. Morning coffee as the sun rises. late dinners after a long day of exploring. The seating is comfortable, supportive, and designed for lingering, not rushing. This is the space where trips turn into memories, where laughter fills the coach and the outside world slows down. Now imagine the end of the day. You move toward the bedroom, and the mood shifts from social to serene. The bedroom in the Cornerstone feels like a private retreat. The bed is inviting, the storage is thoughtful, and the overall atmosphere encourages real rest. This isn't a compromise space. It's a place where you genuinely look forward to winding down after a long drive. And then there's the bathroom, which might surprise you. This is another wow moment. It feels more like a luxury hotel bath than something you'd expect in a motorhome. Spacious, well-lit, and designed for daily living, not just quick stops. Everything has its place, and nothing feels cramped or afterthought-driven. Because all of this comfort would mean nothing without confidence on the road. Fuel capacity is designed for long distances, so you're not constantly planning your trip around fuel stops. The ride quality stays consistent, whether you're cruising highways or navigating secondary roads. And when you pull into a campground or scenic overlook, the Cornerstone settles in like it belongs there. Let's talk price, because this is the emotional moment for a lot of people. The Entegra Coach Cornerstone 2026 sits at the very top of the luxury diesel pusher market, with pricing that reflects its flagship status. Depending on configuration, you're looking at a price point that can reach into the upper luxury range, often well over $1 million. That number can make you pause, and it should. But here's the comparison that matters. When you stack it against competitors like Newmar's King Air or 4Travel's top luxury coaches, the Cornerstone holds its own in performance, craftsmanship, and technology. In some cases, it even offers more standard features where others push you into expensive option lists. This isn't about being the cheapest. It's about delivering value at the highest level. If you're enjoying this deep dive into ultra-luxury motorhomes and want more behind-the-scenes looks at what the future of RV travel really looks like, make sure you're subscribed to NextGen Motorhomes and give this video a like. It helps us bring you more content like this. Back to the experience, because what really sets the Cornerstone apart is how everything comes together. It's not just powerful. It's not just beautiful. It's cohesive. Every drive feels intentional. Every stop feels comfortable. Every night feels restful. That balance is hard to achieve, and it's why the Cornerstone has such a loyal following among serious luxury travelers. Picture yourself weeks into a cross-country journey. Mountains behind you, desert ahead, forest roads in between. The Cornerstone adapts to every environment, giving you the same sense of confidence and comfort no matter where the road leads. That's the real promise of this motorhome. Freedom without sacrifice, adventure without fatigue, luxury without compromise. And here's the final surprise moment. Even at this level of luxury, the Cornerstone still feels drivable. It doesn't intimidate you. It invites you. That's something only the best motorhomes manage to do. So now I want to hear from you. Is the Entegra Coach Cornerstone 2026 your definition of the ultimate motorhome? Or would you choose a different luxury diesel pusher for your dream travels? Drop a comment below and let's talk about it. If you're someone who sees travel as part of your identity, not just a vacation, hit that like button, subscribe to NextGen Motorhomes, and stay with us as we explore what's next on the open road.